Hey Springboks fam, gather round because we've got the latest viral scoop featuring our very own Rassie Erasmus on X. Our man Rassie has once again become the talk of the virtual town, and this time it's all about some banter with Ger Gilroy. Now, whether you love him or have some thoughts, Erasmus sure knows how to stir up the social media part. The polarizing director of rugby was the subject of ridicule by off-the-ball commentator and MD Ger Gilroy, who mocked Erasmus for his comments about being more comfortable in the Boxes' situation rather than Ireland's. Ireland need just one league point, a losing or try bonus point, in their final pool game against Scotland to progress to the tournament's knockout stages, while the defending champions, South Africa, have a bye this week.
I wouldn't like to be in Ireland's position, Erasmus. Oh, wouldn't you, Rassie? You wouldn't like to be in our position. I wouldn't like to be in your position either. But it's okay. How's the braai?
With full humbleness, well, you can just discount anything after anything that comes after that, he says in a press conference with a straight face. Rassie Erasmus goes with full humbleness. A man noted for his humility, with full humbleness, and there's no arrogance saying this. I do think in fairness to him, he knows exactly what he's doing. Like I realize I come across the world's most arrogant man, but I'm saying I've parked my arrogance right. I'd rather sit here than be Ireland, knowing that we've been number one in the world all the time, and Scotland basically just have to beat them by 8 points, and they're out of the tournament.
It's like you could have just beaten us by 8 points if you'd wanted to, and denied us a losing bonus point and made us all very, very worried about what the future holds, but you couldn't do it, Rassie, could you?
Gilroy then went on to mock Erasmus in a squeaky voice.
Oh no, I've got to show the world my giant rugby braid.
Erasmus clipped off Gilroy's mockery at the end and reposted it in reply. His post read, "This man is so funny. How does he do that voice? Top entertainment," with a clown emoji at the end. South African journalist Brendan Nell was damning in his response. "We all enjoy a bit of banter, and you don't have to like Rassie if you don't want to. But this crosses a line into that cringeworthy let's be idiots for the sake of being idiots. I know the majority of Ireland supporters aren't like this. They have a lot more class." Sigh, his post read. What's your take on this playful banter? Do you enjoy a good laugh in the rugby world? Or do you prefer to keep it serious on the field? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe if you're all about the Springboks Nation.